Hello, today we are going to download Scratch. First, write the word Scratch. Then write the word download. Click on the first one and it will say download and click it here. See, I have already downloaded here, so I'm gonna cancel it and open it right away. This may take a little bit of time. Now it finally opened. Now you can program the Scratch any way you want. Scratch is a programming language designed for children to learn computer program. It enables children to create their own games, animated stories and projects. This yellow cat you see here is called the Sprite. Now let's make a little project. First, I'm going to make him move 10 steps. Now you have to go in events and click on this and drag it here. Now press the green flag. It is now moving a little bit. I will add his steps. Now see, he is out of the box. I am going to make something even differenter. I will make him do this forever. Let's make him stop. This red dot you see here is called a stop button. If you go on the file, there is new load from your computer. It means that you can load any picture from your computer and save to your computer. It means to save. If you go to the tutorials, you will see lots of templates like games, videos, stories and animated characters. If you go on edit, you will see turbo. If you see here, you will see restore. Today I have shown you how to install Scratch. In the next video, I will show you how to save Scratch. Thank you and have